Alright everyone,
hello.
So we're going to Chepstow, Wales. I bought this camera, but I have a very stupid looking phone in front of the camera just to test, you know, the wind noise. Everybody's ranting about it that...
It's the wind noise.
She's making the wind noise. Alright, I'm going to open... I'm going to open the window to see if you could actually confirm if the phone actually work. If it's paid off, bingo. So our next trip, you know, I don't have to worry about the microphone. People won't hear me. So guys, we're on a motorway heading to Wales. Not Wales, we're going to Chepstow, the town, the border town of Wales. So guys, let me open the window so that I can see. It's quite windy today, so let's test it. Let's test it now. So guys, we just got to Chepstow. The machine there, you can park your car here and then pay by the machine. You can use the card as well. They accept a Visa and debit or that debit cards. We actually used the applications called Pay by Phone. So you can download that app before you get here. You can pay up to 5 days, but I don't know if it's that big enough to explore.
Yeah, but people stay here.
People stay here, so you can spend 5 days here. Look, behind me there, that's the castle. I don't know if you can see it. And Jay is looking all lost behind me there. So guys, let's explore this beautiful town. Let's go.
We did sit in the nice garden, we sat in that.
Oh, look at the gun. Hello. I've never held a gun before. Is that a proper gun?
Yeah, they're all proper guns.
Oh, wow. I would love to hold it. Can you hold this for me? Let me see.
Yeah,
So
sure.
what do I do? They're heavy.
Yeah, they're heavy.
Whoa. Wow. The guns are hot. Oh my god, they're heavy. So you stand there. Wow, that's very nice.
Okay.
How old is this gun?
About 4 years.
4 years.
Yeah.
So what's you guys doing today? Just dress a nice outfit or?
Here to chat to people from Chepstow itself with the Chepstow Festival thing, and any visitors that are coming in.
Oh, that's good.
There's a group inside, I think, doing early medieval displays.
Oh, all right.
Apparently there's all sorts of stuff going on. Well, I think it's from last Thursday.
Oh, nice. So tell me something about unique about the Chepstow. What's unique about Chepstow apart from the beautiful castle?
Well, not only is it a beautiful castle, it's probably one of the oldest in the country.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's
wow.
over 1,000 years old. Originally, it would have been earth and timber. And Chepstow's also famous, I suppose, modern day for its racecourse.
Wow. More than 1,000 years old?
Yeah, more than 1,000 years old, yeah.
Looking all gorgeous there. Wow.
If you look carefully on a lot of historical films and television series, you can see Chepstow Castle.
Like Hobbies and all those movies, all those greats.
Yeah,
Harry Potter.
I think in the 80s there was a series, Robin and Sherwood.
Yeah, oh yeah, definitely.
It was in that. You know where the Gisborne lowered his friend down on a rock to get the eye from that? That was.
Wow, that was shot there?
Yeah, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, if you go in the castle and further along, you can look down and you can see exactly where it was.
Wow, thank you very much. Nice talking to you.
Okay.
All right. Wow, guys, that was amazing history. Wow, this castle behind me here is more than 1,000 years. And he said it's one of the oldest castles in the country as well. Guys, look how gorgeous it's looking. Look, how beautiful. Wow, baby, it's gorgeous. It's more than 1,000 years old. That's it, from 70. Wow. Alright, so guys, you have to pay like I think it's £8.70 to get in. I think we'll do this another time. Hopefully I'll take you guys in there and show you guys how beautiful it is. It's quite beautiful. 1,000 years old castle. We're actually testing the camp. Just the foam thing. Wow. Just touring outside the 1,000 years old castle. Beautiful looking gorgeous from there. So guys, we're heading back to the city center. This place, Chepstow, is a border town of England, and it's in the county of Monmouthshire. Yeah, Monmouthshire. I'll try to display over the video because I don't know whether it's actually. There's a beer garden here. Quickly, I'll show you guys quickly how inside look like. Babe, that's very nice. Hiya.
Hi, mate, right?
Oh wow, what a beautiful place you got here.
Sorry, mate.
I think I definitely need to have a pint shortly.
Okay,
Thank you, yeah, definitely. See you in a bit. Maybe it's a nice beer garden, probably when we're back. Right, so guys, it's a border town. It's located in Welsh border. That's why they call it a border town. So that's all I have. So if you know much about Chepstow, please do drop your comment and let me know. Nice one. Ugly Mug Cafe. That's a place to have tea in it. So I'm having tea at the Ugly Mug Cafe. Guys, the price of the houses here, the average on board is about £450,000. That's quite expensive. Maybe because of the castle, it's making it very, very expensive. Look at this. Let's go in. That's so beautiful. Wow. There's a lot of pubs though. Wow, look at that dress, man. The white dress. It seems like there's more churches and pubs here. Actually, Jay said I'm just stealing the words from Jay. They seem to have more pubs and more churches in Chepstow. So guys, let's keep strolling and exploring the gorgeous town of Chepstow. This one is 32. Okay, so now we're heading back to the town center because it's not a city. So we're trying to get to the charity shop to see if I can find some pearls. So we went to the first one, they don't have anything, so we're just going back to that one there. I think it's down there somewhere. Yeah. They even have a lunchbox and everything. Wow, that's very nice. And this for the cake, yeah? Nice sis. Right, let's head out. Town center here. Portwall, what's Portwall? Rail station here?
Are you hungry now?
Yeah, I'm getting.
Good. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. Wow, nice sis, look.
Okay, so that's the Indian look. This is that Buena Vista place.
Okay.
That Italian place.
Oh, this is the Indian. Oh, yeah, look. Right, so guys, we're currently at the St. Mary Priory Church, a beautiful church actually. Let me get up here so that you can see how gorgeous the church actually looks like. What do you think? And also in front of me here is an Indian restaurant and a lot of car park space here as well. Beautiful place though. The clock actually works as well. It's so beautiful. Very cute. Oh, hello. Hello. So you have a green house here with a yellow door for sale. And we have a pink door here. And we have what's the color of this, babe? This color.
Green.
No, this next to it.
Oh, blue.
Blue, yeah.
I would actually live in.
Yeah?
Yeah. Wouldn't you?
Yeah, it's quite cute. Beautiful place. Wow. Wow. Ah, it's unbelievable. Look how this view, man. There's pubs, there's a boat in here. You can sit here, have a drink. And there's some massive houses there. I don't know what that's a hotel. Beautiful. Wow. Wow, it's beautiful. So you see that umbrella, babe, in Ghana, when they're celebrating Higwachuchu, you see all these type of umbrellas in different colors. Yeah. Wow, guys, this place is so beautiful. It's unbelievable. Like you can just walk here, enjoy. There's a pub here. The man just got his beer. There's people having fun. And the name of the pub is Riverside Restaurant. Wow, beautiful. And it's a very beautiful bridge here. I don't know what the name of this bridge, guys. If you know the name of the bridge, please do let me know. Wow, gorgeous. Now I'm still surprised. Look at the house there. Look how beautiful the house. I don't know how much this house is. That's somebody's house there. The view here is just breathtaking, guys. Let's continue. The Lamborghini in the garage. Wow. Gorgeous house. Look at the view from here. Isn't that gorgeous? That's a castle there. Wow. And look at the view from here. There's a lot of pubs down here as well.
Uni stays up there. He is. Far side. See him?
Oh my god.
See him?
Oh my god. See the seal, guys? Oh my god. Guys, can you believe it? It's a seal. Wow. Thing's gone. Is it coming out again? I don't think so, but that's amazing. Right. Oh, it was. I'm running to England. I'm going. Bye bye, Wales. So guys, I'm on the bridge. It's quite windy as well. I'm testing this camera to see how good this foam thing is. Jay is waiting for me there, and the man suggests I should get 24-70 for my Sony because the wide angle is pretty good and the zoom is also sharp. So guys, I'll think about that to see what will be beneficial. Oh my god. Wow. Guys, one thing I noticed about this beautiful town, there seems to have a lot of pubs, a lot of houses with green doors, different colorful doors, and you know, like the pubs they have here is more than the churches, and yeah, it's quite amazing. Now we just been to England, and now we're back into Wales. It's like a beer garden there, isn't it? Oh yeah. Oh, that's the. Okay. We're just getting ready for the summer then. Which one? Oh my god. It is very cute. Yeah?
Honey glazed chicken skewers. Peppered mackerel.
Nice.
Oh, look at this. Farmhouse sharer. Sausage rolls, Scotch egg, pork pie,
You have
ham,
everything in there.
cheddar,
17 quid.
slaw,
Yeah.
oh.
18 actually, yeah. It's not bad, is it? Hello.
That's promised, right?
Yeah, I'm back. Right. Yeah, definitely back.
What do you fancy, man?
A Diet Coke and a pint of something local. Yeah, what would you recommend?
The locals bring these two.
Yeah, I'll have this one.
Yeah?
Yeah, and we're having that platter, the one with the Scotch egg and everything, was it?
Farmhouse sharer?
Yeah, I think that one. Yeah, for two.
Where are you
Nice.
sat?
I was sitting in the garden. At the corner.
I'll find you.
Yeah.
Is it full fat or Diet Coke, mate?
Yeah, definitely. And Diet Coke, yeah.
Pint
Is it-
of?
Yeah.
With some ice?
Do you have a bottle one?
You have a bottle of Diet?
Yeah, please.
Do you have a pint of that? It's an expensive way of doing it, man.
That's very nice. That's the bread here. That's a mayo, garlic. That's chips. And that's Scotch eggs. That's butter.
You complain about sandwiches to students, somebody gives you bread, you make a sandwich with it.
Is that pineapple in it? Alright, so guys, we just finished dinner at the 3 Tents in Chepstow. So the next thing we're trying to get to Monmouth and then somewhere here, so just a Symonds Yat. I'll try to display over the video, and yeah, so guys, stay tuned. Let's get to Monmouth. Through there. Okay. So next stop we're going to Monmouth. So guys, stay tuned. Let's get there. Hopefully we can show you guys how beautiful the place is, and also the scenery here is impressive. Weather is nice for the camera. So guys, see you in Monmouth. Alright, so guys, we got to the services. We're going to put a petrol in. So yeah, it's quite a nice day. So guys, stay tuned. Stay tuned, please. Now let's go make some payment inside. They have a lot of drinks here. They have Stella, it's about £5. They have wine, they have Heineken. They have a lot of drinks here. They have even wine, Prosecco, the services. So guys, let's go make some payment. Alright, so the next stop now, we're going to a place called Symonds Yat. This is Symonds Yat. I'll try to display over the video. I'm struggling with pronunciation today. So guys, Jay is waiting for me in the car. So lives, let's get in, let's get there. You know, we just put £20 petrol in. We don't want to get stuck. So that's how much we put in there. Hi Jay, you ready to drive?
Where?
Down. Oh, wow.
This is how I remember.
So, right, so guys, we just arrived at the Symonds Yat. The place is just by Symonds Yat. The place is it's a little bit closer to Monmouth. They have a very gorgeous pub here called Ferries Inn. I'll flip the camera so I can show you guys how gorgeous the pub is. It's by the water, so we're going to just sit here, have a few drinks. We had food at Chepstow, so we're not hungry now. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video. Please, while you're watching the video, consider liking and also subscribe. Thank you very much. Let's continue. Oh, look.
Like Lonco, what? And no chapel.
Oh, look at that, guys. This is the view. This is what you get here. How gorgeous that is. Beautiful. Let's go get a drink.
Oh, there is.
Maybe sometimes with a man drank.
So they say this is quite sweet. Robinson cider. So where are we?
Symonds Yat.
Symonds what? Alright, so guys, the drink I just ordered, I ordered a HPA. I don't know how much it is, but the cider also is Robinson cider. It's very, very sweet. Everything cost me £7.46. It's very, very cheap down here because Bristol, a pint of beer is about £6 something. So guys, I think you should definitely make a trip and come here and see yourself. It's very, very beautiful. Like, guys, this is amazing. It's a cocktail bar. Right, so that was a nice drink with all this beautiful scenery. We don't know where we're heading to next, so guys, stay tuned. It's a surprise, so let's get there. I don't know, it's not a surprise. We just walk in to see if we can find somewhere nice for you guys, so stay tuned. Right, so guys, look where I am. I'm in Monmouth. Look, there's a washroom down here, there's waitrooms down here. The washroom is free, you don't have to pay anything. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to pan the camera to show you guys this gorgeous view of Monmouth. See, I don't know much about Monmouth, so if you live here, if there's something you want to share with the world, please do comment below. I'm just using this camera, I'm testing it as well, so I'm trying my best to show you guys enough of this area. So let's continue the video. Alright, so guys, that was the end of our tour today. If you did enjoy this video, please kindly like the video and subscribe if you're not a subscriber. You know, I'm shooting with SONY FDR 3000, guys. If the sound quality is good, please do let me know, because I need your feedback on this camera. Yeah, so guys, until then, see you in the next video. I'm gonna find you. That's the energy we keep. Make sure you give the video a big like. Thank you, bye for now. See you in the next one.